Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I want to show you this past week. We had Regents week. I counted the machine. It was yesterday, early morning before I left. So I am homesick. It's $7.25. So that was, I'm going to put some notes. January, oh wait, this should say January. And then we have January 20, what was it, the 22nd week of Regents. And then I am out sick, COVID. So oops, I'm messing up over here. All right, so 22nd week of Regents testing. So that's it. It was a it was a light week. It's been just testing really. And we are still negative 143. So once we get back into 3, 6, 9, what did we say? End of February, March, right here, we should see some profit. So we are kind of towards the second half of the school year. So definitely Q3 and then last quarter here, we'll see how much profit we make. All right, till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.